Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today is June 6th, and I'm currently on Charlie's lawn out here in the Mill Creek area. And today, I'm pretty tired. I've aerated, seeded, and fertilized this lawn. I put on 150 pounds of a soil amendment, and to improve the soil. He has some drainage issues here, and he's reseeding whole areas of his lawn here and putting in new areas of the lawn actually. And then I spread out 50 pounds of lime, and I put a wetting agent on here, like I say, I believe. I break down the tension in the soil, a wetting agent, W-E-T-T-I-N-G. And the fertilizer I used on this lawn was a 20-14-14 with a 60% slow release fertilizer. Excuse me, I'm really tired here, long days. And put on a 70-30 grass seed, coated, lightly coated, maybe 1% coating, with an organic growth hormone on there, and just to help it germinate a little better. And I'm going to come back here maybe in a month's time or so, and come back and take a look and see how my job looks. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and I'm just doing a follow-up video here. This is a lawn that I had aerated, seeded, fertilized. Well, I put out some lime on this lawn, and I put out about 150 pounds worth of a soil amendment on here because I did some major repairs here, and they were having some soil issues. And the yard came out pretty darn good. You know, I actually did this work probably 2 months ago. This is now July. I don't remember the exact date. I'm on Charlie's property out here, Mill Creek area, and I don't, like I said, I don't remember the exact date, but I'm very, very happy with the results. I know they're very happy with the results, and it's always good to come by and see something like this and then being able to document it. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching company, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.